Formation of metamorphic rocks from igneous rocks. Just go through it. This is the things we have to know. Okay. Formation of metamorphic rocks from igneous rocks. Granite into gneiss is caused by dynamic metamorphism. Dynamic metamorphism. We already studied dynamic metamorphism here, right? Dynamic metamorphism, thermal metamorphism. Thermal metamorphism means high temperature. It can be changed by high temperature. If the change in rocks are mainly caused by high pressure, it's called dynamic. So high pressure is dynamic metamorphism. See here, dynamic metamorphism. We all know thermal metamorphism. Next one, formation of metamorphic rocks from sedimentary rocks. Sandstone into quartz caused by thermal metamorphism. Shale into slate caused by thermal metamorphism. Okay, an example for metamorphic rocks is sandstone and rock salt. Okay, an example for metamorphic rocks is sandstone and rock salt. Then characteristics of metamorphic rocks. This is an important one. They ask you the questions like distinguish between sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Okay, here is the first point. Here comes the second point. Here comes the second point. Characteristics of metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are mostly crystalline in nature. Metamorphic rocks are mostly crystalline in nature. They consist of alternate bands of light and dark minerals. It consists of what? It consists of alternate bands of light and dark minerals. Third point, you have to write it on your books. Okay, take your book, page number 88. You have to write down here. Third point, fossils do not survive in these rocks. Write it down. Third point, fossils do not survive in these rocks. What is meant by fossils? Fossils is nothing but uyirina padimam. What is fossil? It is uyirina padimam. Have you all write it down your third point? Fossils do not survive in these rocks. Okay. Now we are going to see rock cycle. What is rock cycle and how the cycle of rocks is formed? Rock cycle. Igneous rocks are the primary rocks. We know that, right? Igneous rocks are the primary rocks formed first on earth. Okay. Igneous rocks are the primary rocks formed first. Which rocks are formed first? Igneous rocks are the primary rocks which formed first on earth. These rocks are weathered, eroded, transported and deposited at some places to form sedimentary rocks. Okay, these rocks are weathered, eroded, transported and deposited at some places to form sedimentary rocks. The igneous and sedimentary rocks are changed into metamorphic rocks under the influence of temperature and pressure. The metamorphic rocks are also get disintegrated and deposited to form sedimentary rocks. Formation of igneous rocks take place when there is an outflow of molten materials. Like this, the rocks of the earth crust keeps on changing from one form to another form under various natural forces and agents. The endless process is referred to as rock cycle. Which process? The earth's crust keeps on changing from one form to another form under various natural forces and agents. This endless process from changing from one form to another form, it is an endless process, right? This endless process is referred to as rock cycle. Okay. Take a look on it. Do you know? Quartzite and marble are the rocks commonly used for construction and sculpture works. Okay. Construction and sculpture works. What are the rocks commonly used? Which is quartzite and marble. Marbles are widely used for making beautiful statues and decorative items such as vase, Tiny gift articles and grinded marble is used to produce plastics and paper. These are the paper, right? This is a paper. We use plastics. No, we don't have to use plastic, which is not good for our earth, right? So paper we use in our day-to-day life. Grinded marble is used to produce plastics and paper. Grinded marble. This paper is made up of grinded marble. Okay. Now we are going to see the uses of rocks. Where we use the rocks, how it is used. Okay. Now we are going to see what are the uses of rocks. Rocks have been used by mankind throughout the history. Yeah. We all know. In our day-to-day life we use rocks. Now we are going to see what kind of rocks we use in our daily life and how they are used. Okay. Rocks have been used by mankind throughout the history. Rocks are highly valuable and important to almost all aspects of our economy. The minerals and metals in rocks have been found essential to human civilization. Rocks are used for many purposes in our life, and some of them are given below. We use rocks in our daily life, day-to-day life we use rocks. What are the rocks we use in our day-to-day life? Now we are going to see rocks are useful for making what? Making cement. Making cement, writing chalk. We use chalk to write on the blackboard, right? Fire, building materials, bath scrub, curbstone, ornaments, roofing materials, decorative materials. These are valuable source of minerals such as gold, diamond, sapphire, etc. Okay, rocks are useful for making. We know cement. In cement we use the stones, right? Stones, tiny particles. The rocks useful for making cement. Writing chalk, fire, building materials. We used to build the home or temples or any construction works, we use the stones, which is a rock, right? Bath scrub, curbstone, ornaments, roofing materials, decorative materials. These are the valuable source of minerals such as gold, diamond, sapphire. Also rocks are useful for making gold, diamond and sapphire. Activity. These are the activity. When you come to the school, you have to bring this. Okay. Collect different types of rocks and display them in the classroom. You have to collect the different types of rocks. These are the examples, right? You have to collect these types in your nearby house or nearby towns. Okay. Collect different types of rocks and display them in our classroom. Now when you come to the school, we have to display them in our classroom. Okay. So this is an activity. You have to get ready for this activity. Today you are going to write your homework from what we have seen today. You have to write only the 2 more questions we studied today. Okay. What are the 2 more questions we studied today? Define rocks. Okay. Rocks are the solid mineral materials forming a part of the surface of the earth and other similar planets. The earth's crust lithosphere is composed of rocks. A rock is an aggregate of one or more minerals. Rock is an important natural resource and is found in solid state. It may be hard or soft in nature. You have to write it down on your paper and send it to our group. Okay. This is the first 2 mark question. Define rocks. Then next one, you have to draw this. Rocks. It consists of 3 types: igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. Igneous consists of 2: intrusive igneous, extrusive igneous. Sedimentary consists of 2: organic, inorganic. Metamorphic consists of 2: thermal, dynamic. Here is the next 2 more question. Okay. Here is a define rocks is the first one. You have to draw a diagram. Then second 2 more question, igneous rocks. The igneous rocks are formed by the solidification of molten magma. This is one. 2-mark question. Okay. Then next 2-mark, you have to write the types of igneous rocks. Okay. What are the types of igneous rocks? Extrusive igneous rocks, intrusive igneous rocks. So here comes the 5-mark question. Okay. What is the 5-mark question? Classify and explain the ideas. Note it down. Here is a distinguish between sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Note what I have noted down. Okay. These are the important points here. These are the second point, third point. Metamorphic rocks. Here is the important points. So you have to mark it. Okay. This is one 5-mark. Here is one 5-mark. Here is one 2-mark. Okay. Here comes your activity. Homework, you should write it down today onwards on your note. Then send it to your groups. Okay dears. Choose the correct answer. Is it clear? Choose the correct answer. First one. Which of the following is known as sphere of rocks? Which of the following is known as sphere of rocks? Atmosphere, biosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. Lithosphere is the right one. You have to tick it like this. Okay. Which of the following is known as sphere of rocks? Lithosphere is called as the sphere of rocks. Next, the second one. World Soil Day is observed on. We saw in this class, right? World Soil Day is observed on 5th December every year. Okay dears. So it is 5th December. World Soil Day is observed on 5th December. Tick D option. Next one, third one. Fossils are found in A. Sedimentary rocks, B. Igneous rocks, C. Metamorphic rocks, D. Plutonic rocks. Fossils are found in sedimentary rocks. A is the right one. Mark this, tick like this on A option. Fossils are found in sedimentary rocks. Next one, the top layer of the soil is called as topsoil. Okay, the top layer of the soil is called as topsoil, otherwise called as horizon. Fifth one, ideal soil for growing cotton is option A, red soil, option B, black soil, option C, alluvial soil and D, mountain soil. Ideal soil for growing cotton is B, black soil. Ideal soil for growing cotton is black soil. Sixth one. The major components of soil is A, rocks, B, minerals, C, water, D, all of the above. The major components of soil is B, minerals. What is the major component of soil? Minerals. B option, minerals. Then the seventh one. Which of the following is the most widespread, most and productive category of soil? It is A, alluvial soil, B, black soil, C, red soil and D, mountain soil. A, alluvial soil is the most widespread and productive category of soil. A, alluvial soil is the right one. Next, Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, scientific study of rocks is called petrology. 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 Scientific study of rocks is called petrology. Do you all write it down? Next, the second one. Dash soil is highly suitable for millets cultivation. Which soil is suitable for millet cultivation? For millet cultivation, red soils. So, red soil, R-E-D, red. Red soil is highly suitable for millet cultivation. Third one, the skin of the earth is dash. The skin of the earth is soil. S-O-I-L, soil. The skin of the earth is soil. Fourth one, dash is the kind of metamorphic rock using which Taj Mahal was built. We studied in our last class, right? Dash is a kind of metamorphic rock using which Taj Mahal was built. Here it is. It is built with white marbles. It is built with white marbles. Taj Mahal in India was built with white marbles. So, dash is a kind of metamorphic rock using which Taj Mahal was built. White marble. W-H-I-T-E. White. Marble. M-A-R-B-L-E. Marble. White marble. Fifth one. Dash is known as primary rocks. Igneous rock is known as primary rocks. Igneous. I-G-N-E-O-U-S. Igneous. Rock. R-O-C-K. Rock. Igneous rock is known as the primary rocks. Third Roman letter. State whether the following statements are true or false. Igneous rocks are called primary rocks. Yes, igneous rock is known as primary rocks. So, the first one is true. The first one is true. T-R-U-E. True. Second one. Slate is formed from shale. Yes, the slate is formed from shale. True. T-R-U-E. True. Third one. Red soil is formed by the process of leaching. Red soil is formed by the process of leaching? No. Laterite soil is formed by the process of leaching. So, the third one answer is false. The answer for third one is false. Fourth one. M sand is used as alternative for natural sand in construction. Yes, we all know this, right? M sand is used for the alternate purpose of natural sand. They alternate it by natural sand. M sand is used for construction. So, it is true. Fourth one answer is true. Next, fifth one. Volcanic mountains are covered with sedimentary rocks. False. Volcanic mountains are covered with sedimentary rocks. Fifth one answer is false. Okay. Next one. Fourth Roman letter. Match the following. Fourth Roman letter. Match the following. First one. Granite. The answer for option A, granite, is plutonic acid. Plutonic rock. Granite. First one வந்து match the following la option A இருக்கு இல்லையா? Granite answer plutonic rock. So mark 1 here. Second one. Soil layer. The answer for soil layer is bedrock. Okay. soil layer, bedrock. Barren island. C. Barren island. Active volcano. Mark it as 3. D. Soil conservation. The answer for soil conservation is strip forming. Okay. Granite, plutonic rock, soil layer, bedrock, barren island, active volcano, soil erosion, strip forming. So the answer is A. 2143. 2143. The answer is A option. Okay. Next one. 2. Basalt. The answer for A, basalt, is extrusive igneous. Basalt, extrusive igneous. Limestone, sedimentary rock. Limestone, sedimentary rock. C. Coal. Anthracite. Coal. Anthracite. Gneisses, metamorphic rock. Okay. Gneisses, metamorphic rock. So the option is B. 2413. B option 2413. Next one. 5th Roman letter. Choose the incorrect statement from the following. Here are the 4 statements A, B, C, D. So we have to tick the incorrect statement, not the correct one, which is incorrect statement. Which one is a false statement? We have to tick. Okay. First one, A. Igneous rocks are called primary rocks. B. Soil is a product of weathering of rocks. True. Third one, sedimentary rocks are the hardest ones. It is a wrong statement. Okay. So tick 2. Tick C. This is a incorrect statement. Okay. Sedimentary rocks are the hardest ones is the incorrect statement. Tick C. Second one. A. Soil erosion decreases its fertility. Yes. B. Dynamic metamorphism is caused by high temperature. No. Dynamic metamorphism is caused by high pressure. So it is a incorrect statement. So mark B. Third one. Soil is a renewable resource. Okay, we know. D. Humus is a part of the top layer of soil. Yes, correct. So first one, C is the incorrect statement. Second one, B is the incorrect statement. Next one, 6th. Consider the following statements and choose the right option from the given ones. Okay. Here are the 2 statements. Choose the correct option from the given ones. Statement 1. Sedimentary rocks consists of many layers. Yes, sedimentary rocks consists of many layers. Second one, sedimentary rocks are formed by the sediments deposited at different points of time. Yes, these 2 sentences are correct. So the first and second are correct. And 2 explains I. 2 explains 1. So A is a right answer. 1 and 2 are correct statement and 2 explains the 1 first statement. Okay. A is a right one. Next one, 7th Roman letter. Give reasons. So here are the questions. We have to give reasons for this statement. Okay. First one, chemical sedimentary rocks are found in the beds of the reservoirs. Chemical sediments rocks are found in the beds of the reservoirs. Page number 87. The answer is in page number 87. Here. These are formed by precipitating of minerals from water. It is formed usually through evaporation of chemical rich solutions. Here is the reason. 7th, first one. Okay. The second one. Igneous rocks are found in the regions of volcanoes. Page number 86. Page number 86. The igneous rocks are formed by the solidification of molten magma. Here is a reason for 7th Roman letter, second question. Okay. Next one. Distinguish between 8th Roman letter. Distinguish between Metamorphic rock and sedimentary rock. Take page number 87. Page number 87. Metamorphic rock and sedimentary rock. Here is the points. Okay. First point, second point, third point. Okay. Metamorphic rocks. Here is the first point. It is formed when igneous and sedimentary rocks. This is the first point. This is the second point, third point. Okay, you have to put its two types. Okay, thermal metamorphism, dynamic metamorphism. It is a distinguish between sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. You have to give a clear clarification. Okay, you have to put things in points. Okay, 5 points means each of the rocks having, you have to distinguish each of the things from sedimentary rocks to metamorphic rocks. Okay. Next one, soil conservation and soil erosion. Second one, soil conservation and soil erosion. Page number 90, 91. 90, 91. Soil conservation and soil erosion. Here is the soil erosion, soil conservation. You have to put, this is the first point, and second point, third point, like this you have to put your first point, second point, third point, like this you have to put this one to this soil erosion to soil conservation in difference between form. Okay, soil erosion and soil conservation in distinguished form. Page number 90, page number 91. Okay, next one, 2 mark question. Okay, ninth one, answer briefly. First one, how are igneous rocks formed? Page number 86. How are igneous rocks formed? Page number 86. Here is the answer. The igneous rocks are formed by the solidification of molten magma. Second one, describe about the composition of soil. Page number 89. Here is the second 2 mark question. Okay, soil composition. Third one, define rock. Page number 85. Page number 85. 2 mark question. The rocks. The rocks are the solid minerals from this to this. Okay, from this to this, it is the 9th Roman letter, third 2 mark question. Next one, state the types of soils. Page number 90. Here are the types of soil. Okay, alluvial soil you have to put for like this. Okay, alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil, desert soil. Okay, next one, what is soil conservation? Page number 91. What is soil conservation? You have to write from this to this. Okay, next one, answer in a paragraph. Explain the process of soil formation. Page number 89. We already see in class, right? So you have to put the page number. Page number 89, explain and classify the rocks. Page number 86, 87, give an account on different layers of soil. Page number 91, classify and explain the soil. Page number 90. Activities. These are the activities when we come to the school. We have to do these activities in group. Okay. So don't worry about these activities. When you come to the school, we all do in together. Okay. So my dear students, all my dear students are requested to pay your school fees and buy your school books. Okay. For efficient reading. All my dears are requested to pay the school fees. Okay dears. Today's homework is you have to mark the answers in your book like this. Okay. You have to mark all the answers like this in your book. And then for the question and answers, 2 marks, 5 mark questions, you have to mark the answers inside the lesson. Okay. So dears, those who have not paid your school fees, kindly pay in our school and get your books, okay? Then only we have to read, right? We have to read daily, okay? We have to read on the daily basis, okay? So we have to pay our fees and then get your books in our school, okay? I am also very excited to see your handwriting in your paper, okay? So you have to neat it clearly today's homework. 2 5 more questions and 1 2 more question. You have to write it in our plain sheet, then send it in our groups. Okay dears? Thank you.